among size, significance level, and power between a one-sided alternative hypothesis and a two-sided alternative hypothesis. 3.5. These are described in section 3.2. Review concept 3.6. Why does a confidence interval contain more information than the result of a single hypothesis test? Answer. A confidence interval contains all values of the parameter. For example, the mean that cannot be rejected when used as a null hypothesis. Thus, it summarizes the results from a very large number of hypothesis tests. 3.7 review question or statement, I suppose. Explain why the differences of means estimator applied to data from a randomized controlled experiment is an estimator of the treatment effect. 3.7 answer. The treatment or causal effect is the difference between the mean outcomes of treatment and control groups when individuals in the population are randomly assigned to the two groups. The differences in mean estimator is the difference between the mean outcomes of treatment and control groups for a randomly selected sample of individuals in the population who are then randomly assigned to the two groups. 3.8. Sketch a hypothetical scatter plot for a sample of size 10 for two random variables with a population correlation of a few choices. First is A 1.0, second is B negative 1.0, third is C 0.9, and fourth is D negative 0.5, and the fifth is E 0.0. Answer. 3.8. The plot for a upward sloping and the point lie exactly on a line. The plot for B is downward sloping, which is -1, and the points lie exactly on a line. The plot for C 0.9 should show a positive relation, and the points should be close to, but not exactly, on an upward sloping line. The plot for D, negative 0.5, shows a generally negative correlation between variables, and the points are scattered around a downward sloping line. The plot for E has no apparent linear relation between the variables.